Dear student, today we will study the unit which have maximum mark, that is 20. As your examination is concerned, we have already discussed the chapter whatever we have to study under this unit. Today we will see the chapter polynomial, in which first we will see the important formula and concept. You have to study the following topic in this year, that is 0 of a polynomial, relationship between 0 and coefficient of quadratic polynomial. This topic you have to study. Now we will see the important concept and formulas. The first topic is what is polynomial. An algebraic expression of the form px equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube dash dash a nx to the power n, where a is not equal to 0, is called polynomial in variable x of degree n, because here the highest power is n, that's why degree is n. Here a0, a1, a2, a3 and dot dot an are real number, and each power of x is non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means the power of x should not be either in the form of minus, negative, that is minus 2, minus 3, that is not possible. Let us see by example. Here 3x square minus 5x plus 2 is a polynomial of the degree 2, and this is not polynomial because here the power of x is 1 by 2, which is not a integer. Next is the degree. If px is a polynomial in x, the highest power of x in px is called the degree of the polynomial. Let us see by the example. Here the example is 4x plus 1. Here the highest power is 1. Then the degree of this equation is, this polynomial is 1. And by the second example, here the example is 2y square minus 3y plus 4. The highest power is 2. That is, the degree of this polynomial is 2, and this polynomial is in variable of y. Here we will see now some types of the polynomial. A polynomial of a degree 0 is called constant polynomial. Next, a polynomial px equal to ax plus b is called linear polynomial. Why? Because the polynomial have the highest power, that is degree is 1. Now next is polynomial px equal to ax square plus bx plus c is called quadratic polynomial, because the highest power, that is degree of this polynomial, is 2. Next polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx is t, is called a cubic polynomial. Why? Because the highest power, that is degree of this polynomial, is 3. Next is a polynomial px is given ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, is called biquadratic polynomial, because the highest power of this polynomial is 4. Now value of polynomial at a given point x equal to k. So if px is a polynomial in x, and if k is any real number, means if k is a real number, then the value of obtained by replacing x by k in px is called the value of px at x barabar k and denoted by pk. That is, let us see by the example. If px is equal to given, let us suppose the given 2x square plus 4x minus 6, and you have to find the value at x is equal to 2. Then simply you put here x equal to 2. Then you get the answer 2 into 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 6, that is 8 plus 8 minus 6, 16 minus 6 equal to 10. Then this is your value at x equal to 2. Now 0 of a polynomial. A real number is k is said to be 0 of polynomial px if pk equal to 0. Geometrically, the 0 of a polynomial precisely the x coordinate of the points where the graph y equal to px intersect the x-axis. That is means if you have to find the 0 graphically, then you have to see the graph at which point the x-axis cut, that is the 0. Second, a quadratic polynomial can have most 2 0 and a cubic polynomial have 3 0. In general, polynomial n degree have n zeros. That means whatever the degree of the polynomial, that number of the zeros. Now relationship between 0 and coefficient of polynomial. If type of polynomial is linear, that is general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. Number of 0 is 1, because here you can see that degree of this polynomial is 1. That means number of 0 is 1, and the relationship between 0 and coefficient is k equal to minus b by a, or you can say k equal to constant term by coefficient of x. Next is quadratic. General form of quadratic equation is ax square plus b plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Here degree is 2, hence the number of 0 is 2, and the relationship between 0 and coefficient is sum of 0, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of a, x square, that is equal to minus b by a, and product of 0, that is alpha beta equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square equal to c by a. Next polynomial is cubic polynomial. General form is the polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0, as the highest degree is 3, hence number of 0 is 3. Here the formula or relationship between 0 and coefficient is sum of 0, that is alpha beta gamma, equal to minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube, that is minus b by a. Product of sum of zeros taken 2 at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, that is c by a. Then product of 0 alpha beta gamma equal to minus constant term divided by coefficient of x cube, that is minus d by a. Now if you have to given alpha and beta, that is zeros of a quadratic equation, and you have to find the quadratic polynomial, the formula is as given below, that is px equal to x square minus alpha plus beta plus alpha beta, or you can say that px equal to x square minus sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, into x plus product of 0. If the polynomial is cubic, then you know that there are 3 zeros, that is alpha beta gamma. Then the formula for the cubic polynomial is x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha x minus alpha beta gamma. Now the 0 of a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, this is the general form of quadratic polynomial, is equal to 0 are precisely the x coordinate at point where the parabola representing y equal to ax square plus bx plus c intersect the x-axis. In fact, the any quadratic polynomial x square plus bx plus c is equal to not equal to 0, the graph of the corresponding equation y equal to ax square plus bx plus c has one of the two shapes either open upwards like U or open downward like this figure, depending on the whether a is greater than 0 or a less than. These curves are called parabolas. That is means if you have given any quadratic equation in this form or in this form, let us any given equation this form, then if you draw the graph, this will be either this type or this type. Here is written either open downwards or open downwards, upwards or downwards, depending the value of a. Also this can be like this or like this. In this only one solution is there because your graph is cutting only one point to x-axis. Here also only one, here two solutions are there because 2 points are intersect. This graph intersect x-axis as 2 points here and here. That's why two solutions are there. Here also graph cuts x-axis as 2 points here and here. That's why two solutions are there. Here you can see the graph of the quadratic polynomial. Case 1 is graph cut x-axis at 2 points a and a dash. The coordinate a dash are the two zero of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Here two solutions are there, this one at this point. Similarly here also two distinct points, these are the two zeros. Here two zeros. Now second case is given here, that is quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is given and the graph touches only one point here, hence the zero, only one zero is there. You have to see only x-axis, not y-axis. Here only one point is there, that's why in this there is only 1 0. Here also same, here will only 1 0. Next type 3 is here. When you draw diagram, that is graph, you get this type of curve. Then here, since your graph is not cutting or touching any point on the x-axis, therefore here no solution or zero, no zero. Here also no solution or no zero. Now next topic is division algorithm for the polynomial. If px and gx are any two polynomial with gx is not equal to 0, then we find the polynomial qx and rx such that px equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx is degree of less than degree of gx. If rx 0, then gx is a factor of px, and you know this formula that dividend equal to divisor plus quotient plus remainder.